the thing where they suppose person where they suppose to blame for this thing na the technician. One, technician supposed to know the kind material for use am. Secondly, na you dey know the mixture for the material. Thirdly, na even if they call you, they already start building. If they get the technical knowledge or technical know-how, where they feel look the building or look the pillar, they say no, this pillar this will not be supposed to carry na story building, or this thing this will not be supposed to carry na story building. There you tell the man we get the house na so it dey na so it dey. If the man not agree, you save yourself, you come on you for it. Therefore, say me you continue be the house, then you go get problem at the end.
Okay, tell me what.
When I'm moving for more, I no be finished. I will get my last person for blame. You know, so for this country, there's so clientelism don't finish country. When I mean clientelism, I say wait, man no man.
Yeah.
And man no man don't make an now, so you don't legalize this thing where they call and say, people, they call them for baby books say, these people the way they know how to do something, jack of all trades, and master of none. Let me say, all man they do all things because country don't push people for war. Man was on there because in school, go doing grammar. Once here, you don't turn an engineer. Start a B house and they talk how house could do. Because don't go get 1 or 2 knowledge somewhere. You can begin making so the work have for quarter. They take money, they do this kind of thing. You go see they go do this kind of work. And so the work go can't turn at this kind of thing. So keep people. Well, so they don't know it's what they do. Be ignorant. But because he brought that 1 B house, especially if I'm like they go have a talking go talk and for entire meeting.
So 1 B house. Now get begin with a bricklayer.
Now who know about B house? Man go to a bricklayer. I would like my power become a village for Amanda. Say one can be house of Amanda when a story building. One can they show you story building for building and the man say this one so they be on witchcraft. He move his hand for inside. Say the no be ordinary sense the building can has. He move his hand for inside. Now support they supposed to do. If you say you nothing know, you know don't be a quack. That one I work for quack. Now quack will talk say no, I go do am. Hey, now don't be the other one, don't be the other one.
Okay, wait to now be at the level of the council. Delegate, government delegate. Before 1 B house, you go register. Bring your plan for house. Talk how the house go be. Government, the first can survey whether that plan where you want be like for that house. If it contain, escape the soil, if it contain a government, it own work that for look at whether house we want be like for that place, it is. But now them two, they can't do control for check your house, escape, they respect the norms and the quality.
My brother Michael, government don't fail for all levels. Don't fail for all levels, but that way, no. They didn't even go for go pay tax. They ask you money for localization. Yeah. With that one Cameroon tax, this thing no they talk concerning money for localization. You demand that the money for localization give the money that they just go pay transport come for they can evaluate either the company or your business place. So they will know under which category for tax for put you.
Yeah.
But you give the money so that they come up for your office. Because they ask say they have shop you get how many machines for inside. You don't buy material for how much put them for inside. The localization that you don't already take the money put them for your pocket. So I want to tell them say they be absent. If the one that they can control, make things they may be order, na lie. They don't come out go for fee, na they know so they go gratis on man. Whatever they don't she don't as back to school the council, they need money
for pay
begin their school fees. Na that time you go see them for outside. We will go begin put their life conditions some kind way.
Okay. May we take una now go for one way custom them. They don't vex. Custom them for inside Douala they say no matter how they want them for border, they leave Kako, he enter. They go catch for Douala. For this type of play that they say whiskey them, they catch about 12 cartons them. With it so it be packed with black label J&B whiskey they be ready for start supply for inside the town. For Ancestors College, they travail, they catch for inside town here for Douala here. Then they want on a tramadol, where they took for like injection. No, now they take a tablet. 4,000. That's most mobile to them. He come on a Tico. He pass custom for Tico. He pass custom for toll gates. He pass custom for Bigoko. Pass the one for Carrefour Music. Pass the one for Bunabeli Bridge. He carry for inside Douala here. They catch up. They catch on the volume. We don't go for West Region. For go begin control the do market. Now all these things they catch and they don't tell we say small time they go call away for say we come with the camera see how they burn them, how they destroy the car with them. When they catch and so, Mr. Blasius, wait you give like a proposition for government for do with people that don't leave the car with them. He enter right inside with town. We don't know how they only first supply one for Southwest first or all before they have one car for here. That whiskey they can't do come over Guinea Equatorial. How many customs in there for here before one reach for border for Guinea, for Kyocity?
Yes, Michael, to be honest to you, we get a government we are not ever seen for any other country. That means the worst government so far will get them for Cameroon. And I don't talk on top for you say when two elephants they fight na grass and suffer.
Yeah.
The grass now we the local or the business people the way they make the business. Businessman it is suffer. This thing will happen clear now say wait if Minister of Trade look Magra Baga Tangana the year fine. Now in military then you do all these things them. When it don't come out for control, it don't reach come out for Tico.
Yeah.
As it come out Tico, it enter for the cost on their hand. They settle their control for they don't care whether the thing they own are gone. Some person will ask me questions, say, who side Ambazonia they get gone? They don't know say na still a military they carry and for border can't give them. When Kako will come out for Tico, enter inside moto, the man only custom yourself go carry inside moto. Yeah. And they tell you so that you day military then they carry gun they go divide them for Ambazonia. Now military they carry as he prove them, any man will know me find me and they don't define as they prove them. So now military they carry gun go give Ambazonia. Now military they carry even the petrol the way they for I don't stand so a film way military man you move this thing for inside army moto move petrol. The petrol is don't stop on Nigeria inside army moto. I don't stand. I don't go prison for 4 days. When military man die with the expert Bibinga, I be for control. I'm a forest engineer. As I control, they carry a control military motor. They carry Bibinga and a boy in TD. They carry inside motor, so I stop the motor for there. I say for there. I say me they no pass. They tell me, hey, we'll be colleague. I say colleague for waiting. This thing now, a boy in TD, we are not supposed to pass. Commander, colonel will be na own. Colonel call from there. Me they can't pick me, they put me for prison from Bamboo, some village around there they call them Bamboo, for prison for 4 days. I sleep for prison for 4 days before I want come over and not chop.
Because they do your work.
Because I do my work. Now thing that way they have of Cameroon. So you say and say when all these things and now why that also now the businessman is suffering in the sensitivity. When they don't come out the cost on them for border, they don't put that inside their motor. As the cost of the border put that inside their motor, they collect their own money. They collect their own money now, then they'll carry the thing now, bring them for the mine destination, fine. As when they bring them for the mine destination, they offload the thing them. When the custom says they don't move inside motor, now custom carry inside motor, it take all millions from the businessman, put them inside pocket.
Yeah.
As if they carry inside their motor, no other custom, no they will go control that motor for road. As it pass, you just say, hey, chef, same new now, as he put that small dry hand as they ever put them. The man, they will open gate, they pass. And they will go past, they go offload the thing for the man has. Businessman on a year, now still the same customer will carry that thing. Go gear for the place. Now then go call some of their colleagues them. Say so and so place. I don't upload so and so place thing for so and so place. Una go they go take una own share. If una not take una own share, if you deny for give una own share, una alarm, una blow the alarm me all thing come out so that una fit turn and say una don't catch am. When na still the custom dey direct them.
It means na chop a chop.
So na chop a chop. If they call me I don't be uniform man too. So before
so you know how they
prophet,
chop a chop.
So yes.
Okay.
So as the cost of the mover for poor inside motor na he the carrier he don't take his own share put am go put am for house. He dey call his colleague say as una see am so something dey for that so and so place go take your own share. When you go there not give the amount we want and blow alarm. Okay. And I think that way dey happen. So me business people they open their eye. Me they know they allow the useless government they me they full way. Una open una eye and una do una clean business. Una do clean business. Go work with una and nothing not ever disturb.
Other man any one chop thing way in no work am for sika say any thing and say the other man any chop plenty. When you want chop thing way no work am you go alas do bad work and you go end up be wanted by the government. They can go now. They say they need to work but time where casting will woke up now only Kodenge. It be a rest house. Mo continue na kuna story this time around take kuna go down for better. Mr. Etienne Ba, he lost a life. How he died? He died like a fowl. How fowl die? The method be that run tie hand, tie foot. Like how you want coordinate for fowl. Who kill he? Why they kill he? No letter. No nothing. And no there for that side where they fit identify for talk about what the police they only run come with the channel they say no they don't open investigate. Now man way in a carpenter at the same time it is same plan for that for Betua they don't can kill it. So all this kind of thing Lovey, wait till you feel Chakara to talk about when you see wait it can't hatred with them for country man they can't kill another man. They don't know why they can't kill them for take money. They don't know why they can't kill them because get premiums for man. Wait till you feel talk or give them like advice for people for that kind of thing.
as you rightly talk, if you be anyway, if you be jealousy, because it shows the man a very successful man. Anybody did in plan and carpentry
at the same time.
Now money man. Because if you go around, people they run baby house and all kind of chair that come out every day. So if you don't see a future in that man, then sometimes so a fellow carpenter man don't see and say
that man over they want to go for fun.
Yeah, they like say go can't move me all customer from my road. It just move it for game one time.
You move for game.
Yes, if it be like possibility too. Or if you see if you don't get quarrel with some customer, you know, maybe don't want to deliver. Some people they just act by impulse. So it means the first way they come for their mind, now they just do.
Man, I go just prophesy for that man in life we commit that act.
Prophecy, the thing of God made the job work like that.
God made it work like that.
Just prophesy.
Give me Jesus hand is slap me the swimmer for that side now. Me the man come testify. Say I slap you in the name of Jesus.
Prophecy now when God will work with you when you, at that moment God deal with you directly.
So what if they God don't deal with you now?
God not dey that mean when you deal with me like how you deal with me now so God fit just show me your thing now then I prophesy for you but you know fit just tell me say prophesy there I just start down and guess what.
I say you give that man a wonderful slap. Give him slap. Give him Holy Ghost slap. Man, you are provoking my spirit. Oh God.
I pray say me the man me hand a clean. Me do clean work. You know some of these people they do deal with timber. Like what sister just talk for here, timber na money thing na thing where they give money. And most of people the way they deal with timber they involve themselves inside society. They involve themselves some because I don't come across a case where they be for a bolova. Where I interview the man make me understand say some of the tree the way one fella if he be say no really go put your hand for some place it frighten you. So when one face some of the tree and someone the day where it even carry evil spirit. So it make some of them now go put their hand there for some kind of place where it not correct. So I just pray say no me any man we want do that kind of business me just know say if they do a clean business, then me not ever go to put your hand for places.
His Royal Majesty Bombon Joya, Idefusam, now the Chakra na Tori for that side. CPDM militants them, they don't join gather. In fact, Bamileke woman them. So when they say, well, like me, I know if you go for one place. I know if you go do my papa. So when they say me Sultan, he go buy for Fumban, he go make mama. We don't forget. I let the day be like for confirm the ego. They babu some put the chain a yoke. So that people don't say me they have cheap them that traditional ruler they don't turn because it like say traditional ruler them now only for Cameroon where you see traditional ruler them they be political leaders them who's on side them. Matatamfu, what do you feel Chakra Tori for talk about this big meeting for CPDM member where he don't come or get big meeting for that side for Babu something and one match against him we happen for Purple. They are crazy for that side. For Intercontinental Hotel, where the alliance tell them say una pack go back for country.
Simple I go talk na say pa and I go no return only for pa Bombon Joya. All fund them for Cameroon. I don't want to go far because I don't know the other side, but the one that I know for Cameroon. Una leave politics alone. That politician them where they get CBDM, SDF, UPC, all them so that we not picking them. When you gonna go become the member of one of this party, you go to begin to the other picking the way they did for the other party. Now how? You know if you look them fine. Because they talk say if cockroach get case, you go for cockroach and foul be Josh. The cockroach never ever win case. More lost case. So now they kind of think that way they fund they make with the opposition because majority of the fund then they did with the CPTM for Cameroon here. So look what atmosphere today for Cameroon here. The political situation we will get them. Come to the dance. I'm not gonna see why Paul that one. Paul for picking them fun. Could you call that kind of meeting this kind of time say one contradict team where this people do for Switzerland? Why not call the meeting? Why not call you support the way they Switzerland? Let me say citizens support the way they Switzerland. They don't go organize a counter attack against the bus. Yeah. They can't organize for Cameroon for waiting. So me they stop for the use Cameroon and analyze the play with them. First part they say Papi talks no be Bamileke man. Where was that come again with Bamileke land with the citizen issue? Why not go for you fund them? For na Fumban. Go down for day. He come up bring up for Bafu for 80. Me they no begin confusion. put their life under insecurity.
Other one they talk say that meeting where they organize for Bafoussam na for sure say they so people for West Region they don't know what they come to. Man of God, SK you see that Nungamen, how you take your eyes here?
Now the system where we were there for inside Cameroon, fund, like my brother Tanfojo talk for they fund them. As the advice una not get any right for join any political party. Una be royal, in fact una be local administrators them. Is there like how governor and SDO not get right for join any political party because all man inside the region na governor they like their power for that place. Then when you join a political party, it means say any man will not be with your political party, you be against it. And I think that will happen in Cameroon. Like we say, the regime don't get a crook way. They don't take all man put that inside their shio, inside under their boot of shidok on top. And one of the things where they use an assewity, they be call all chief them, give them small 50,000, 100,000 saying that their salary. Yeah. Like some talk they will in the past around say when go the chop now for place they tie. And you see, I say some of the 50,000 where they pay the chief, they now don't make some of them now they say no, more try for support the person. Because if we not support the person, sometimes they will cut that.
But it be right for traditional rule for the receive salary.
It depends. Look at
because we pay you salary, you don't respect my word.
One thing we did as a traditional rulers them, they get right for pick a job. They be educated people. Like from example, a traditional ruler fit be magistrate. A traditional ruler fit still work inside the government. That one I own this thing way fit work. But for say me they pay them say no, you just sit down for your house because say you get the name say traditional ruler, then they pay you. Yeah. That one not correct. That one na a way the government be use them for capture all the traditional ruler inside their cage and they don't succeed. Now I want me Sultan Mumunjoya, me a listing fine, clean and clear. If it be say no, you see, I know say it be one of those way they don't try for capture the Cameroonians them. Me it look way to way be happen inside Bamenda. The way it happen inside Bamenda way CPD and they be try say they want match against whatsoever and it lead up to way it happens today. Because nothing that way be happen Bamenda. The way they be plan say they want match and it end up killing and destroying people and it still happen up to today. If it be say I know say francophone and people the way they fear. But me not take that step because as if they take that step, it divide the country again and again the more. Yeah. The country don't really be to divide into two. If you want me, the country divide into three because Bamileke they be ready for go their own side. I don't even see flag we don't come out say na bars they are this thing. That means when na Bamileke their flag. So me all man I present me deal administrators una try for get human feeling because when una get human feeling una not go to organize the kind of thing where go inside lead for killing it go inside lead for destruction. So I pray say me una try for get feelings for human being so that they not go to kill una picking them. The meeting where you organize them and inside Bafoussam. Some person will talk say no, you not supposed to organize inside Bafoussam. Now West Region man, Bafoussam the capital. So when any man want do some big rally, you must go now for your capital. So Bafoussam the capital.
It should be a big man for CPD for West Region.
But then we don't talk say the rally not be the meeting, the outing not correct at all. At this point in time, that time meeting not correct.
Okay.
Wait till way they do one for inside Switzerland. Wait till way what brothers and sisters they do one inside Switzerland. I myself am part of it. I want say me any man do anything where it go make international communities them ring bell for their ear for come for the country can solve the problem because till way they do one for inside Switzerland it don't send a lot of signal for the international community and now why that way me at the same time talk say more continue to do more then me all the SDF Anglophone leaders the air leader will not resign come back and she don't will solve the country will solve the problem. Okay. And it also me the country divide and then it also me divide but if the worst come to the worst we'll go fight for the division.
Worst come to the worst before we go reach for that level. Master, we get something for Adam.
So I want Adam to say why Joe for Bafoussam you give authorization for manifestation. It shows that the only manifestation when they call public disorder and the one for opposition. Or why when opposition want ask for manifestation for go ask who sent you what they be give for receive African Cup of Nation go. They don't call and say you know they be just underground banditism. So aggravated theft. People they come for go match for us say who send money for the one go. president wey na Mr. Biya no be our president we know na say the will be voting man he win election.
Yeah.
They did not get authorization for that match but when for command manifest na constitutional right. Yeah. But when opposition now wan go ask for authorization they deny. But because first of all they no ask for authorization they declare. Say they give for use so and so they for so and so this so that this Joe now go write authorization say for so and so this people they go do so and so so that the military they go send police about time they go ensure security and safety for all man way he go take part for that manifestation or for that call for that ceremony. But when the opposition do am they go say no it go cause trouble for public the matter disorder for public domain say go cause trouble for public. Made stop that thing.
Okay, we'll go for the other side for talk about the other issue for kidnapping for that side for north for that. In fact, for Benue, you know, say people for that side they don't turn they don't know where they go on left on a right. After we so they kidnap about 3 people for one night. They kidnap some 13 years old girl. If we get 10 women there with 30 picking them, they go for the other one way. They kill that one and kill themselves. They shoot it, he die. Then kidnap a girl picking for 13 years go time. Then they go for the other house with power for 8 women and 40 picking them. They kidnap the power. Go for the other side, kidnap some municipal councillor, kidnap and go one night. Oga Mayor, he cries it so he problem done I say. If you don't create a vigilante group that they begin their country gun them, they begin at night and at collapse. Government come, it disarm all that vigilante group. Now, chief dumpster they enter, they kidnap them, they do this one them. What do you figure I'm like an advice now for that position? Make government give back gun for civilian them.
I would talk say semi government give gun for civilian, na very bad thing because for my own way I see if they just agree semi-civilian and take gun, even the one they know the inside movement, they will fit to take gun, start do combating them. And then we too, if we be very versed, thing what they happen for Yaoundé, we see the people they call and say Awara, where they happen by people them. Now just normal people they be take and just give them power too. Not be na police people them. You know see the kind of other way don't cost for Yaoundé. They define by people them, they do this one, they do this one. So if they just try that thing, say Gira one and put people them, you know, will solve that problem. Instead, they fit send a military them for the or police them for the, may they enforce the security where they want gear and for that untrained people them. So now my own advice, I said rather for give gun for that people them, me then gear now for police people them.
Blast you. Which you feature character for talk about the one. Escape merit for they now would arm them. They don't disarm them. Now palava kidnapping. It don't the act mayor for them who say this. So make government reconsider some people them.
I want to say me the government no say the kidnapping where they go on for Anglophone region. No na say na the Ambazonia they do kidnapping because it happen for all sides of Cameroon. Do you want now it happen for far north or na for north?
For Benue,
Ambazonia go do am. So me government no say they need to do their work. Why they get to take gun give civilian? Police na for waiting. Police na for take care. Police na a civil inside. That's inside military work. Police na a civilian. Police na for take care of civilian for inside quarter all day to day activities. That for know whether you get problem or not. Police they let me and you for us for ask my problem, be my security. And now why that way when you go inside administration, you discover say policeman they work with you. You na the normal local. Administrator inside small local area. Why gendarme they work with SDO? Why army they work with governor? Because governor they like the representative for the president for the region. So now when police they work with Dio and Dio na person wey they just among we because Dio na chef the ten no. It she don't we even inside Buhas talk for nothing. So now when Dio dey for they do police and police their work now for waiting and every year Cameroon get the highest recruitment inside Cameroon or the highest employment inside Cameroon na uniform work. And uniform work because one our president be use that one because he know say no all this thing that go happen I go you that's now why that would talk say Cameroon don't be in a military role. Because when you want to talk anything, military rule and security, when you want to talk anything, either they send you to prison or they kill you. And I think that will happen inside Cameroon. So now, if one of our highest employment inside Cameroon, na military, police, gendarme, army, why wait if they work with the police that they do? Wait, so they will go call civilian where they don't even know how to operate gun. Then they will put them say me they take gun. Mr. Michael, you bear with me say. Normal person dey for quarter way when they give gun he go if he work if he that me go for bar where drink beer you want to move gun he not be trained So why we get to accept the idea say me they give civilian gun? No, even the cutlass they not supposed to give them. Me the police then do their work and all the local vigilante whatsoever. Me they go begin the guide banks then even banks they say that so police they supposed to guide. Me they go the guys small local company the vigilantes then na their own work that. Me police then do their work. Me government put stroke for the police then. Me they do their work. But not say the government too na part of them. They know if you do them, but with the praise say me they try stand up. As they be sleep, me they woke up for sleep.
Government too, it get plenty. Barely we don't see. In fact, social media, all man don't see the video. Roland, press button. About 4 women, there were 4 armed boys. They be there to give that woman a serious snake beating. You don't see the video for all man don't see the video, no. For that's how Bali, you be woman. And love it. Just imagine you born Pekin. Pekin can't stand up for front and with a gun. And they bow you. Say they call it black leg. Say they destroy their struggle. Wait, you fit talk. For inside this one, before one come for you, matter time for.
The matter don't pass me. You don't tire me too. Because it be unbelievable. Say, picking where you born now, where you supposed to grow up now, start look at you. Now you don't instead drag you. They beat you now, let's say you be snake or let's say you be thief person. So the thing don't just pass me. I don't even know how for even start tackling. But I just want to say, may God for heaven, no. May try touch picking their hand them. May they see as, may they feel as, they go through a lot. For put to bed, for bring them for the life, for bring them up to the people where they be.
See what I go talk be say. We the only talk say mommy born Pekin beat mommy. But we know the thing say sometimes mommy too say Pekin.
Yeah.
Mommy just forget love for Pekin. Hold you Pekin inside and cover the Pekin in terms of danger. Question where they come from my mind and say why now already mommy they catch and beat them. Now only they never know where the answer was. Other women them plenty, other women them plenty, other younger them plenty. If they catch the only one they mean say something, there's no smoke without fire. Means they don't go put finger for play what they not supposed to put them. And as we don't see for all this time, for this body where they talk say no go so, you go so you turn enemy. No go so you go so you turn enemy. So when you be for that kind of environment, mind yourself. Means a man can fool you. So go do so. Because that man with the fools go do the time when the body will come for you, that man go stand for your back. Because for more indication, the body don't be above the military. The military don't even protect life and property again. That way they go catch you man from their hearts and so they move them faster, begin killing casting go. No, they be highly militarized. Yeah. They beside the military for them they go protect life and property now. The military they na property na life that be in danger. They are nowhere to be found. Now how they that way they born them, we know they see their intervention. Then respect the boys and stay safe.
Okay. Mr. Poncha, ma contribute more, but ma contribute more for this thing. Bible talks say when you be a liar, you're a killer. When you lie, you don't kill. That's if I go come for Mr. Poncha say, Mr. Tanfu don't do this, then you go kill it. Now me I don't kill Mr. Tanfu.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now in any war, a spy is more than a killer. And wait till it happen for Northwest and Southwest now war. Now, if you be a spy, where you take information for year, go gear and for year, then you don't kill a whole village. Because sometimes the day with the year say they don't burn some village, we don't know why they burn that village. Now only some person one phone call, where you call, or some woman then are the highest destructive people. With the pity then somebody they kill.
As you go sleep with
man, some person if he just phone, some person if he just take his phone, just talk say where the boys and they for here. It happens. It happened. Now, that thing will happen for the woman them. I not praising me that they beat, me that they kill. I don't ever pray for that one because an Englishman culture, not a culture of respect, not a culture of love, not a culture of decency. Happiness, joy, nothing that will come for the earth for you. And when you see some people that they behave so, let's go into investigation. When we investigate, we don't investigate, say I say deep boys, because that woman them, maybe thing where they do, if we instead kill the whole valley or destroy the whole valley, we'll never look into that one. We're supposed to look into that one. Because that will send me the kill 100 of people, better they kill 2. Then a 90-something survive. So, move better, before one condemn some people, move better take into quick investigation. Then we'll see which way it be. But I pray, say if na say the boys them, na thing that way they do, and the woman their hand dey clean, then please me dey ask for forgiveness, but me dey need to take other kind action, because I don talk say wetin English man culture na to respect, love, care and whatsoever. That's all the good things, because we dey on the side of God. So mo do the good thing we suppose for do. The struggle na our struggle always, no na one man dey struggle, na always the struggle. We dey struggle for say me the country change, and if the country not change, we go pack our back, we divide with the Mongo, then we go cross Mongo, but mo be peaceful. We'll handle this thing well. Siseko be ever the talk waiting. This struggle now a diplomatic struggle, not a struggle of violence. No violence. It happens even with my beginning for University of Boya, where they start and say no violence, but we'll see the action of a Frenchman. Frenchman on say waiting, me key still destroy, and it destroy key way it still approach.
Okay, more enter
so
other side.
We pray say me the Anglophone them, the Amber leaders them, where the commander and the general them. Me they handle one mommy, one picking them, one brothers and sisters them in care, peace, love.
Mike, I talk something on this palaver. I beg my just close down. This military, what they say for that side, so na man picking them. And when man picking enters on town, he go to start lung on them. They go lung on there. Then on there, the way when they join, they do Konakona love with the Bracos, with the military. When I do, I'm gonna just live end for that level and stop pointing finger. Even though you find your situation inside that one way,
you don't find that. So okay, just for did you have time in the Tonton Kashiru and press button more go for this other side for talk about Dume District Hospital. Was a Peter, he don't Tonton the dry like Mami Frida. In fact, my woman that born for us, put in the one go was a Peter, all man say when you signal it enter a bush, cut and grass, chop up, cut and grass, boil up. Yeah? Now so they don't live for that like early man. Now so talking that they come out, they carry microphone. When I come for Wasapita, oh, they do operation door to door. When I come to tribunal, the first I come to them job free of charge, give them medicine, took them in small injection for years. You don't think it happened in those days, no? Time where white man they can't need that medicine for Africa. They can't see white man, black people them, they check them, check their machine, them say they order they be very healthy. Then they took them injection, give them medicine free of charge. So when I remain, begin take the medicine, you go make when I will be more healthy. They want come back later and they want to check and start the infection them see, and then after they open the hospital planter. In fact, they want to know they don't come out, they do operation door to door for that's how do me. This kind of thing, Mr. Blasius, how you see this kind of thing it happen for that side where people them start flee away from white man medicine, they go back for their traditional medicine, they then great come hospital. Now doctor they now they come out the worker, door. Now sick man define doctor, but now for do me now doctor them define sick people. Which you fit up for that one?
For that side for do me thing will happen. We suppose we say people are here there for ground for really look whether because some people they not feel run away for hospitals or for nothing. Yeah. Something must not happen. Mm-hmm. So I will not know whether na say the doctor they sometimes they get on their medicine and do it they give people they go die. Some man of it the sister you go get healing then you run away from that place. Mm-hmm. Na lie. Mm-hmm. That one of it happen. So if na say the doctor them they be don't do some mistake. Mm-hmm. Me they only call the people as they don't call and now the people don't come out. They explain and say did mistake because they really know what really happen. Then say no. So me they explain and for them say if na this thing way will be doing what na the fear for come. The one be happen because of this. Then people they say that they go understand. Then they go start come. Because me in my spirit, I believe say something be really happen for that place before that action before that people they want to run away.
Okay, Mr. Tamfu, est-ce que you see and say we run the tonton to go back for how we papa and mommy them be they live? Or na say because the white man medicine see like this meeting with the whole for Douala Roland press button. They hold some big nogame about antibiotics them. You go Peter. You take antibiotics, it need to green cure you. They put them for your body, pack them for your body, and then they cure you. You thought they don't want me for Douala for see which antibiotic they get for wipe them. Say they're not strong again. Which one they say new sick they don't overcome the way they sick they over strong hate sick they don't come to the new antibiotic. The whole meeting, people they fabricate medicine, then they want doctors them to them they give experience. Any man talk on they become all over Africa. They be joined for Cameroon for almost 1 week. They go to get this conference. Which if you talk about this white man medicine and with traditional medicine.
If me I begin my way, I will tell them we'll go back for traditional medicine. Mm-hmm. Because when you look critically now, you see I say my medicine there so it treat you now and after some time the after effects they come. Mm-hmm. So when they go so treat you very well you were, but inside your skin don't leave cancer. Mm-hmm. And when the cancer go she don't go they grow. Some other come in where they say you go die next month, you begin to count your days, the right will. Mm-hmm. We're not correct. But when I see that will not be the same. One man chop somebody they send for here. They use preservatives I mean, all the conservatives, chemical they put inside the thing there so that it go stay for long, no go spoil.
And
that thing can with the chopper, it give we sick. And now you see today when some can sick, they don't come out. When I
it means a white man don't turn we, they are slaves.
They're slaves. They're slaves. If we talk about the still chop fufu and jama, we used to chop our village from 1st to 31st.
Yeah.
We not be the sick we. Some can sick, they will not be the same.
We know what to talk it other one.
We know what to talk it other one them. We stop to the one jama with fertilizer.
Yeah.
That kind of they no go plenty. So if I get my way for talk, I will trust me. I will go back for nature.
Make all we will go back for nature due to how time it is. Talk as you blast you go to your video to run just play what to move. Feeling with the one for that side for East region railway for Betua. About more than 50 government workers. In fact, they be call them. They are doing a ghost workers demo. They are doing a camp for office. They are doing a they don't post them. They don't go for that post them. They start sanctioning one by one. They said they can't floor for gate. They take you now one. You go inside, you go talk, explain your problem. If they consider you, if they will take you back for work, they take you back for work. If they will fire you, they sack you immediately. Also, they pass. What if you talk about that kind of thing? SK again for spray all over Cameroon or Niger remain for that time for better so.
Me spray all over Cameroon because government workers, they don't be people they know say they be all no. Yeah. If you go office at any time, so like from example, teacher them. Some teacher they way they post it on site, either she do it for has to take his salary. So they now but it depends the communication to he and his principal because when he and his principal, he just tell principal say no inside my salary I would give 10%. 10%. Then if she don't know they do a business or different side, then you 10% if they come, then his salary they can send the 10%. Okay. So but the one way the people they do they do in good faith, now good work. If they fine. And I not believe say SDO or now would he do if he sack any civil servant. SDO or whatsoever for that place no get no right.
No, now special people will be sent out from your own, they can coordinate and work that work.
Okay, no, if not so then they fine. Me they try for do work. Me they not only do the advisor say me they not only do for the people they for small level. Yeah, me they do for the highest level so they go reach for minister.
Okay. Me we enter now for part 2 for Inside Authority for today we're talking about Palava business. Roland, play with this sport when we come back before enter for talk about Palava ICT. Who be them? Why didn't they in the morning time?
The ICT University in Yaoundé, Cameroon, leading trends in digital technology that offers online and on-site learning at bachelor's, master's, and PhD is currently accepting applications for the summer semester beginning in July, fall semester in October, and spring semester in March. This great university offers American standard degrees and certificates in the following disciplines: ICT, Business Management and Sustainable Development, International MBA, Accounting Information Technology, Software Engineering, Information Systems and Networking, Computer Science, Renewable Energy, Banking and Finance, Science of Education, a joint Master's PhD degree in Public Health, Cisco and Microsoft certification programs. Contact 651-060-049 or 678-764-037 or visit the website www.ictuniversity.org for details.
Okay, we ask Romanos make it tell we waiting be ICT.
ICT University, as the name stands, now the Information and Communication Technology University, when an American university where they for Cameroon here, where they offer a variety of programs starting from the bachelor's right up to the PhD. And then the ICT University, one of our particularities na seweti, we get a system where we teach our picking them where we use either on-site and online learning. Where means seweti, you know must come for our campus or messages for Yaoundé for attend your classes them. You fish down any side where you dey for the country or out of the country. If you get your internet connection, you get your Android device or your smartphone, or you get your computer, if you connect for internet, you fit take these classes real time. When I talk real time, it means wait. The same time when teacher dey for class, you teach the one waiting for Musasi. You too for place where you dey, you will connect, dey online, follow the class, and if you ask any question at any time. It help people that have been a busy professional, they do other business them for people do their activity when they want to do them, then to connect for class time. We get again another very important thing when e-library. E-library now it's an online library will be available to the general public. Where if you dey student for that school, you get access to this book. Then we get over 80,000 books. For the book, them we get audio, we get video. What means if you don't even tire for read book, if you watch play someone like film, the watch them, it enter your head. So it makes study really be easy for students for IC University. I want to tell people and say the IC University where we dey. actually now we do admission into the summer semester. So admission they ongoing, and summer semester they begin on the 5th of August. And I call on the general public, begin the way they don't get baccalaureate, or people they don't get HNC, they want to top up bachelors, or they want to get bachelors, they want to masters, or they want to get masters, they want to PhD. Me then come, as soon as I don't hear the program, then as he play for the squad we play, Muna come apply. Now time this for apply for this semester where they go, we call it semester, say summer semester. Admission be ongoing. Again, ICT University in collaboration with the academy, where na some firm or partner, the way they operate short courses when I just run from 2 weeks to 2 months in TOEFL, English as a second language, project management, web design. This academy they offer this short program then for people they want to do short courses them and then be professional them, or people they want to learn English then travel, or they want to learn Francophone they want to learn English then come for English school. Yeah. Again, we did in collaboration with GSP where they design website, print textbook, print all thing them, magazine them. They also manage website for business people them. Any man will get any business, you fit contact them, they print your textbook or they print your flyers.
Okay, love it. What you get them for just conclude them as we back them for go for concern this IT. What you fit tell people what to be the benefit them, where the fit benefit for go or this school.
Okay, one of the benefits now say first you earn an international degree. What mean say you fit use this degree anywhere in the world, anyhow, anytime. If you even use it for Cameroon, write your concours. We get a lot of successful students so far. We get upcoming Mark Zuckerberg them in quotes. That's Mark Zuckerberg now he come up with WhatsApp, the WhatsApp with all man they use and they excite now. So two they don't bring up now farm figures. Now their own app that I don't know if una see am for
farm figures.
Farm figures.
When I saw a student there.
Yes, now a student for ICT come up with that. If you go for your Play Store or for your iStore for iPhone, how they call them. Yes, you just type farm figures, you will see it like this, the logo, this particular one.
Where it help for do it?
It help farmers for analysis them, for their quantity them, for their products them, how did we come up for get a better production and for get mass production.
Okay, now, you two salo for 1 or 2 put them come on. So you come back again another time next week for some so
okay, Asaloma Maggie for Tico, Asaloma Caro for Tico, Asalo Mr. Eric where they Yaounde, and I salute my sister Queenette where they for Douala.
Okay, Manogo just to salo for 1 or 2 put us with the pack of bag and go.
My elder sister for Bamenda, where they for Ground Zero, my promise. They are salute my power where they for Ndop, Longla Victor.
Okay.
Then I salute my fiancée Tinka Leslie.
Okay. Romano Victor salute 1 or 2 with the pack
I salute the entire board of trustees of the ICT University.
Now that. Okay, but I thought Jocho Salon and you tell some good news we Tonton Siang we want to tap in for say this so the fit Tonton for benefit.
Yes, well if it's a more twist salon as the one you just talk about picking them and partner with the one same picking them for picking the find scholarship. Say final international university don't come up with scholarship this year. And they will come for Cameroon here will talk about the scholarship and for getting the scholarship when 80%, 100% and 50% scholarship now for you for go that is intern examination. And that examination will take place for Lewa Hotel here on the 25th of this month. So if you want to be part of it, just go for Facebook, you type anointed provision and education services for Facebook. You go for that page, you can see any number, but they contact the number.
2018 happen for inside this country. We will only come back again sort of for tomorrow for some Tonton a year. But in a way it happen for inside country Monday. I will deal with that. We don't go.